Good morning, everyone. Today, April 4, 2023, Tuesday. So we can tell overview a little bit for this morning. It's NASDAQ a little struggle up a little bit, but Dow Jones, we can see them getting up some. But anyway, all of them is getting up so well. So the best thing is, like what I say, the gold already hit to $2,000 for an ounce. Gold gained pretty much, and crude oil already over 81 to $82 for one barrel. So, and the food price swing around a little bit, it's not that bad. So, and especially T-note is going to drop down a little bit. It's pretty good. So, and here we can see, you can take a screenshot and take a look at later. BLPH is getting off like almost 900%, and INGY getting off over 400%. That's pretty good number to take a look. So, and right now, when I see as what happened right now is NASDAQ drop a little bit, it's like 32 points. And in here, I mix match a little bit. Like NVDA is getting up, Apple getting up, but Tesla, Microsoft, AMD, Amazon drop a little bit. So Meta up a little bit. So XOM for the oil company getting up a little bit. So like Baba drop a little bit till like around 95. So the market today in the index concern market move. So this morning everything getting up a little bit this morning. So the US stock index future this morning moderate higher, like all the numbers getting much higher. And real interest rate is concerned by the economy, new to show the US factory index kind of like contact more export to export. Expectation of the Federal results may close ending the interest rates campaign. So this kind of like relate to the government new one positive side for today. Tesla is going to be up because like free market trading after the reporting from China's March delivery up to almost like 89,000, up to 19% as normal. So by the way, we come back with the option area. So the option going to be, there's a lot of call is show the market's going to be gain pretty good for today, and like all of them can gain pretty well. But the best one for Macy, you can call them like $19 and 0.25, pretty good looking. So XOM is called in like around December. It's pretty good. So pretty cheap if you call them around September or October. Look at that screenshot and make sure you take a look on this one. And GM, you can call them like about June or May. It's better not call them in April. April is too short. So FXR, you go ahead and do the call to be okay. And by the way, today doesn't matter what's going on, just focus on the call and buy as soon as possible right away. You know, when you see like at the moment like 8:30, and you can sell them like 8:31, 32, 33, and Central Time. or you can set up the number like because you call them all the way to September or June, July, and pretty good number. Stay safe and have to be get big concern. By the way, we come back with the positive information today. The market index future claim interest rate high concern. ESM 23 is getting up 0.26%, and QM 23 getting up 28%. So the U.S. future poised higher ahead this week for the labor dollar. So corn, it's get ready so for the future for the spring, and congratulations for the farmers have pretty good harvest this morning because a lot of Midwest, Middle East for a lot of cornfield area, they going to make a lot of money. Why do I say that? Because they kind of have some like long time snow, and when you get snow, water stay there on the ground. It kind of suck them in, and when you grow the corn, and corn need a lot of water, so it's going to be a pretty good, impressive, productive later. So 100 up stock is going to be more than 20%. So the special analyzed rating showed that, saying, like the page I showed us before is going to be the first one is going to be VTSI is going to be more than 36%, as like with 1 month chart to go always like around 20% more. And like BLPH, they will say in yearly they already getting up like almost 900%, and every daily they're getting up like around 10, 13, 15, 20%. That's normal. And a lot of exchange is going to be BMEA is going to be gains like over 500% in yearlies, and it's getting like around 10 to 20% every day. So it's going to be, we can look at overview the cap mapping a little bit. Is CDAY is going to be 3% more. Like a lot of them like look pretty green overview. Just some of them, VRSN is red, AIZ is red, STT is red, and the XA is red. Those and a little small red one, but most of them is pretty green, pretty good looking. So with the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, those DAS and CC40, AX, FTSE, and Russell, IBOSFA, all of them is, and IBay, so Nikkei. So those are international sector. We can look at that, and so you don't have a system, don't have analyzed numbers, you don't have a technical number. You can take a look at overview and take a guess for today. It's going to be green and look pretty good, but depend on, remember the stock information is changed every minute, even though every hour, even though every second. Take a look, make the overview, won't hurt anything. Remember, I share what I buy, you chose what you buy, and be careful, buy slow. So it's going to be let's say Bitcoins go up a little bit. When Bitcoin go up, and every small one is going to up again. But today, all the currencies and crypto kind of gain a little bit, because last night when I watch out for, Dash went up, Bitcoin went up, Ethereum went up. It's a little bit last night. So hopefully it's going to be getting up for today, and hopefully everyone can make money. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys tomorrow. We have very important news for tomorrow. Please watch them on. Thank you very much.